Understanding the CompTIA Network Plus exam.
CompTIA Network Plus is a widely recognized certification for networking professionals. The exam covers networking concepts, infrastructure, network operations, security, and troubleshooting. It is designed for entry-level IT roles and is vendor-neutral, meaning it applies to various technologies and environments. Passing the Network Plus exam demonstrates foundational networking skills and can open doors to more advanced certifications and job opportunities.
Building a solid study plan.
Creating a structured study plan is essential for success. Begin by reviewing the official exam objectives and breaking them into manageable topics. Allocate specific time slots each week to focus on different domains. Use a mix of study materials, videos, books, and practice questions. Don't cram. Consistent, scheduled study sessions will help reinforce your knowledge over time.
Essential study resources.
Rely on reputable resources such as CompTIA's official study guides, online platforms like Professor Messer, and high-rated video courses. Practice exams are crucial for identifying weaknesses. Join online forums or study groups to ask questions and share tips. Remember to use updated materials that match the latest exam version to ensure you're studying relevant content.
Tips and tricks for exam day.
Before exam day, get plenty of rest and do a light review of the main concepts. Arrive early, read each question carefully, and eliminate obviously wrong answers first. Manage your time wisely. Don't get stuck on challenging questions. Mark them and return later if time allows. Hands-on labs and real-world scenarios in your studies will make troubleshooting questions easier.
Maintaining motivation and confidence.
Stay motivated by tracking your progress and celebrating milestones, like completing practice tests or finishing study chapters. If you feel overwhelmed, break challenges into smaller tasks. Remember, it's normal to feel nervous. Consistent preparation is the key to confidence. Believing in your preparation and following your study plan will help you succeed on your first attempt.